Hello students, you have most welcome in my channel, and my name is Suraj. I'm a teacher, and let's talk about great learning courses. So if you are new students, so you have to subscribe the channel for more videos, and if you like the video, so like it and share it with your friends. So first you can see this is the front image of this app. You can see welcome to great learning. So you can see here are some free courses. So you can see like a video editing, social media management, and online tutoring. So here are some courses, so you can join and you can improve your skill through this course and through this app also. So you can scroll down, so you will find here are some degree and certificate program also, but you have to improve your skill with the free courses. So here are some free courses, and here are some options, and you can see select a career path and power ahead you. Students, you can see some popular courses is given here, and you can see here are the courses of data science, business administrations, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. So here are some free courses which will help in your skill for getting job. So you can see data science, AI engineer, and digital marketing. So and you can see explore all free courses. So you can see data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, and IT and software. So data science have 70 courses, and machine learning have 79 courses, and artificial intelligence have 45 courses, and IT and software courses have 193 courses. So you have to join free courses and improve your skill through this app. So you can see here are some courses of digital marketing, interview preparation. Okay, so this is the very good for interview. You will learn how to prepare for interview. Okay, so and you can see big data course in Hindi. Here are some courses in Hindi, and then you can see live master classes here, and cyber security courses also, and much more. So students, this is the very great app, so that's why its name is Great Learning. So you have to log in with your Gmail ID, and you can choose your free courses which you have need for getting job, and you can improve your skill through this course. So you can choose some option which is given here. So students, here are some option is given here, so you can use of it. So first is home screen, second is search. If you have need to search any course, so you can use of this features and option. So here are the my course name. This option will show you which course you have selected and which course you are doing, and program is showing program, and profile is showing your profile. Okay, so it will show your name and Gmail ID and much more. So this is the very great app, and this is the very great opportunity to improve your skill for getting job. And if you like the video, so like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So if you have any comments, so you can tell me in comment. And that's all in this video, and thanks for watching.